Hello all. In this video session we will be discussing about putw function and getw function. This putw function is used for writing integers to a file, and this getw function is used for reading integer values from a file. Okay, you can use fprintf and fscanf for these purposes as well, but now will be discussing about putw and getw. Okay, so putw is used for writing integers to a file. So we have this include the studio.h, stdlib.h, then inside main function I have declared the variable n, file point fp, then I have opened the file idemo.txt in write mode, then after that condition for successful opening is checked, and then after that I have written an infinite loop, that is while 1 I am scanning a number. So if n equal to minus 9999 is the termination condition in the case of this while loop, because if it becomes true then it will execute break and it will go out of the while loop. Okay, so until I give the number minus 9999, I will be reading a number and I will be writing that number to a file until I give the number negative 9999. Okay, so that's how this program works. Then after all of that I'll be closing the file using the fclose function by passing the parameter file point. Okay, file point or fp. Okay, now I'm just going to compile this program. So gcc putw_demo.c output it to putw_demo.out, then /putw_demo.out. So after that this file will be opened and I can write the data. For example, I will be writing like 24, 45, 65, 61, 73, 40, 14, then finally negative 9999. Okay, so these are the values it read, and then after that for reading these values from the file idemo.txt, I have written this particular code. So here we wrote this program to demonstrate getw function. Okay, here hash include studio.h, then same declarations, then file is opened, then the checking for successful opening is done. Then for reading we are using the getw function. So this putw and getw is very similar to getc, fgetc and fputc. So here n equal to getw of fp means we will be getting the integer stored at location fp using the function getw. Then after getting that value we are checking whether it is not equal to end of file. Since this equal to has a less precedence than not equal to, we will be putting this n equal to getw of fp inside a parenthesis. Okay, then after that we will be checking whether the value got is end of file or not. If it is end of file, then we will exit from the loop, otherwise we will continue traversing through the file. So we are getting the value, and then after that if it is not end of file, then we will be printing that value to the screen. Okay, so this process will continue until end of file is reached. Okay, so this is another method that we can use. So we have gone through this method when we discussed about fscanf. So just go through that, and finally after reading all these data, it will reach end of file and it will exit from this loop. Then after that we will close the file using the fclose function. Okay, so now we will just compile this program. This getw demo is our program, so I have compiled that program. Then I'm going to run this getdemo.out. So it will just print the data. Okay, 23, 45, 65, 61, 73 and 14. Okay, now if I want to display this command line in a new line, I can just give a print new line character here. Okay, so I have given the new line character. I'm just saving this, then again I'm compiling this, then running this. Okay, now it will, the values will appear in the line, and then after printing all the values, the command line will appear in the next line. Okay, so this is how this getw function works. So this putw and getw function is similar to fgetc and fputc. So in case of put C, we were having two arguments C and FP, where C as a character, but in the case of putw function, we are having two arguments. First one is integer, and second one is the file pointer, since we are writing integer to a file. Okay. Whereas in case of getw function, it has only one argument, and that is the file point, which is also similar to what? fgetc. Okay, now fgetc is actually returning the character from the file, whereas getw is returning an integer value from the file. That you have to remember. Okay, so you can make use of this getw function to get integer values from a file, and if you want to perform something like sorting, then you can sort that and then write the sorted values into a new file using the putw function. Okay, so you can do both of these. So try to do that program to read values from a file and then sort those values and then write those values to a new file called sorted.txt. Okay, so go through these functions. Okay, thank you.